What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be replacing the spark plugs on this 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. So let's get to it. Before working on the car, let the engine cool down. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the vacuum hose by pressing the sides and pulling it out. Loosen the hose clamps. Remove the 10mm mounting bolt. Unplug the coils by pulling the gray lock out and then pressing on the release tab. Remove the 8mm bolt. Use a 5/8 magnet socket, an extension, and ratchet to remove the spark plug. The recommended spark plugs are Ford Motorcraft Irradium plugs. Another alternative will be NGK Irradium plugs. These come pre-gap and ready to be installed. Snug tight the spark plug or torque at 20 foot-pounds. Follow the same procedure for the rest of them and then put everything back together and you'll be done. Thanks for watching you guys. Late.